Alright, so I was able to get most everything out of the engine bay. There's a few things I'm not going to worry about. A couple of brake lines, things like that. Just too much work. Again, this isn't going to be a show quality car. I just want to get the inside of the engine bay repainted black, and so the black's really forgiving. I don't have to worry about it, but I didn't film it just because I had my cousin come over. We were kind of in a hurry to get him out of here. So we got the brake booster out, which you can see the 4 bolt holes that are on the inside by the brake pedal assembly. I went ahead and took the washer fluid bottle out, which was pretty easy. There was 1 bolt down there at the bottom, 1 along the side, and I think 1 or 2 clips. It was super easy. Then I just kind of bent the 1 brake line up out of the way. I'm going to cover up all these other ones with bags. The speedo cable, I'm just going to work around it as I go. I'll probably get in there and just unclip it from right there and not worry about the rust. The harness I finally got out of the bay, so I'm going to put this in a bag, and then this will come out of the car, leaving me with all the room I need to work inside. When it comes time to paint everything, I'm going to take the top of the TEMS off so I can get along the shock mounts. And yeah, but now the entire engine bay is open and clean, and I'll be ready to start cleaning here in just a couple of minutes. I got to go get a bag to put the harness in, and then I got to go get some cleaning solution, and we'll be good to go. I also got to get some rags and stuff to block off these 2 holes so I'm not spraying water right into the cab of the car. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. So the reason that I can kind of chintz out on the way that I'm blocking off these holes in these ports is I'm actually not going high pressure water. I've seen a lot of people use pressure washers when they're cleaning out the engine bays. I'm not going to do that. I actually have an air compressor with some mineral spirits that I'm going to spray in here under air pressure, which is not anywhere near as unforgiving as water pressure. And then I'm going to let that sit, then I'll scrub a few places, and then I'll rinse it out with water. Then I'll respray with mineral spirits, just like I did my engine block when I was doing that. But here's what it looks like. This is what it looks like when everything's kind of blocked off again. I just kind of put towels and bags, blocked off all the major holes. Here I just kind of covered up the end of the fuel line. It goes back down to the fuel tank. And now I can go ahead and start doing this with the air compressor and the mineral spirits that I have. So I'm going to go get that plugged in, and I will be back in a moment. Here's the system that I'm using. It's some odorless mineral spirits with an attachment to my air compressor. It just kind of hooks into it. And this will be what I apply my engine cleaner with, or my engine bay cleaning with. The first set of mineral spirits on the engine bay, just sitting there and letting it soak in some. hard to tell that it's there because unlike some other stuff, it doesn't really foam. And you can see here that it's already starting to eat at some of this grimy stuff down here. It helps it pull up real easy. Some down here by the battery tray. So I'm just going to let this sit for a few minutes. I'm going to go turn the hose on. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray it out. And then I'll put another layer on. And that second layer is the one that I'll actually start using some rags to help break it up. You can see here how much of this is already breaking up. So that comes right up now. So I'm going to go ahead and just spray it out with the hose. Find out how much, see this yucky crap down here. It's already coming out. So I'm going to see what comes out with just the hose. And then we'll do it again. Find out where all the really bad nasty spots are. And we'll do it again. And then we'll be able to check up here, down along these front supports, and some of this nastiness, this old grimy, what's already coming up. So the mineral spirits works really well. If you've never used it before, I highly recommend it. Alright, so that's had a minute to sit. So let's start rinsing some of this stuff.
One today, they don't say things the same. Two like two out the door, then you have magic. One comes around one today, they don't say things the same. Two like two out the door, then you have magic.
So this was after just one spray on the passenger side and 2 sprays on the driver's side with just a paper towel and very lightly going over it. You can see that this is already breaking up and coming out real nice. And this side is a little bit heavier, but again, that was with just a paper towel and a little spray. I'm actually going to come out with the blue pad now and start wiping down on it with the blue pad and see if that makes it any easier. See how that works. A little bit here on the front. You can see, it comes off fairly easy. And really all I'm trying to do is get all the dirt and grime out, because I do intend to sandblast this. So as long as I'm okay for sandblasting, then I'm not too worried about getting all the actual dirt off. I just need to get all of the oils and grime. This is my biggest concern, where the battery tray was, but all in all, it's not too bad for just a single spray real quick. And now I'm going to get back at it. See a little bit down here. The Brillo pad didn't really make any difference here, but it did make a pretty good difference up along this ridge and definitely down along the inside here where I was able to get it pretty good. Even the places where the hose didn't rinse it right off, it did break it loose to where now it just wipes right off. So that's nice. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the next few days as I have time. I'm out of time for today. We're getting ready to go up to the snow for the weekend. But for the next week or so, as I have time, I'm going to be coming out here, putting down a coat of that stuff, wiping it down, getting everything off. I'm also going to be researching buying my own sandblaster, and or what it'll cost to have a company do it for me. The reason I'm looking at having another company do it for me is because I'm also looking at repainting the whole car. And if they can blast the whole car or strip the whole car in whatever fashion they find easiest and least expensive, then I might have them do the whole car. I'm not really sure yet. But this is with no wiping beforehand. That's with very minimal wiping and a little bit of the stuff on there. Again, this is the after of a little bit of wiping. It works pretty good. Again, if you've never tried it, it's called just Clean Strip Odorless Mineral Spirits. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll have updates for the way the engine bay is going very shortly, as I start talking to companies about what it's going to cost to get it done versus buying my own blaster and doing it at home. I've been seeing them for like $130, $140 at Harbor Freight. So if I can get a unit for $130 and then maybe $80 to $100 in media versus having another company do it for like $300, I might let them do it just for the sake of time. But if it's going to be like $500, then I'm just going to do it myself. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.